Hey there, this is Darren, live in the airport. 30 minutes of progress. My plane to San Francisco got deplaned because they smelled plastic in the cockpit. So I'm glad that we deplaned and got a new plane. So proving once again you can make progress in your dream while you're sitting in an airport waiting for your flight. So spent this 30 minutes sitting on the plane, and then when we get off the plane, sitting there reading more of Save the Cat. And it seems unanimous that every book that I've read, it comes down to structure, structure, structure. And Blake says the same thing, and he actually gives 12 beats of every movie, and even gives like the page number, like of his 12 beats. The opening image, obviously, page 1. The second beat is the theme stated, which is page 5. So by page 5, we should have the theme of the movie and know exactly what the goal is and where we're going, what we're trying to achieve, what the hero is trying to achieve. So he goes through all 12, and from where I left off, now he's going to start explaining each one of them. I get the gist of most of them, and he actually gives Sid Field credit. So I know I'm on the right track because I'm studying all of the different writers of screenplay, how to write a screenplay. So it's just so clear. And what he talks about is the 12 beats, instead of Sid's just 3 acts, and knowing when we're going from one act to the other act, the 12 beats gives you those, he calls them islands, which I think is brilliant. It's like you got to swim from one island to the next island to the next island, so you know the structure. And he talks about the importance of it, especially if you're writing the original screenplay and you sell it to a movie theater or movie company. Now they're going to have people redo it and add characters and change things. But he says if you get the structure right, you're going to remain having the credits of the film. So they can't take your name off it, and that means that you'll get some residual checks in a green envelope. So it's kind of cool too, making that happen. But it's really emphasizing the structure, and I see that in speeches as well. You just need to have the right structure. So quick bonus tip. I finally got to the hotel. It's midnight. I was supposed to get in about 7:30, 8 o'clock maybe. Anyway, you heard about the delay. Did some more reading, so 30 minutes plus. Anyway, here's a real cool insight that I got from this book, Save the Cat. And what he said was what a lot of actors will do if they're deciding if they're going to take a script or be interested in a script or not, is they'll actually read the first 10 pages and they'll read the last 10 pages. And what that shows them instantly is, how do they show the change? You see, if the change isn't clear on the back end, then we don't care about the struggle. And we're not curious as to how it happened. So just an interesting insight, especially for speakers. If you're going to show the story really, especially your more involved, deeper stories, you really need to show the change, or there's no payoff for us to go through the struggle to get there. So they read the first 10 pages, they read the last 10 pages, deciding if they're going to like or be interested in being a part of this story or this film. So for you and I as speakers, we got to show that change. Do we see the change? So made some more progress today on my way to San Francisco. And how about you? What will you do tonight to show your change, that you're making progress towards your goal? I hope you do. See you tomorrow. Stage time.